Hi friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Hope you all are doing fine. Well, in today's video we are going to see how to make chicken hariyali tikka. For that you will need coriander and mint leaves. So let's collect some fresh mint leaves from my balcony garden. Let's go. So here are the mint leaves growing in my balcony garden, and I'm going to collect some from here. I think this should be enough. So our mint leaves has been collected, and now let's go to the kitchen and start with the recipe. To make chicken hariyali tikka, you will need 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves, half cup of fresh mint leaves, 4 large garlic pods, 2 very small pieces of ginger, and 2 to 3 green chilies according to your spice level, and also 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Now transfer the ingredients except the curd or yogurt to a chutney jar. I have added few mint leaves now. And we will grind this to a coarse paste first. Now add the remaining mint leaves and the curd or yogurt to the chutney jar along with a splash of water, and grind this to a fine paste this time. Let's check this once. So our green chutney paste for our hariyali tikka is ready. You can use this same paste to make hariyali paneer and fish tikkas also. And now let's proceed to the next step. So here I have taken 10 boneless breast pieces, and now we need to marinate them by adding half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, some freshly crushed black pepper, say around 1/4 teaspoon, and some crushed kasuri methi leaves, and finally the green chutney paste. Now mix all the spices and coat the chutney well over the chicken pieces. And yes, you also need to add the juice of half a lemon, around 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Mix this well. And we will let the chicken rest for at least 1 hour. So it's almost 1 hour, and now we will grill the chicken pieces. I'm using this kind of wooden skewers to grill our chicken hariyali tikkas. Pierce the chicken pieces through these skewers like this and arrange them. So in the same way, I will arrange some more chicken pieces in the skewer. Alright, this is done. Now with the tissue paper, rub the traces of the green chutney from the skewers so that they look clean when we arrange them in serving plate. And now time to grill them. For that, heat a grill pan and add a small cube of butter along with half teaspoon of refined oil. Brush the butter on all the sides of the grill pan And when the pan is hot, we will place the chicken pieces arranged in these skewers. Keep the flame on low to medium. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, flip the skewers. And we need to cook the chicken pieces until they are grilled well from both the sides with traces of grill marks on them. After 2 minutes, we will again flip the skewers. You can see this side has been grilled well with grill marks, and now we need to grill the other side as well one more time. Keep flipping the skewers in between to get beautiful grill marks on the chicken pieces. So by now our chicken pieces are grilled well from both these sides, and our chicken Hariali tikkas are ready to be served hot. So friends, here goes our delicious chicken Hariali tikkas on the serving platter. I will serve them with a spicy green chutney along with few onion rings, tomato slices, and lemon wedges to complete the plate. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious and flavorful chicken tikka recipe. Also share your feedbacks in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.